So we're multiplying polynomials. Polynomials is when you have more than one term and you're multiplying them. So you can do the box if you want to, or in reality we're distributing. So everything on this side is going to multiply everybody on the other binomial. So 4x will multiply 3x, 4x is going to multiply negative 2, 1 is going to multiply 3x, 1 is going to multiply negative 2. So 4x times 3x is 12x squared. Multiply these two. 4x times negative 2 is negative 8x. Multiply these two. 3x. Multiply these two. Minus 2. Now you're going to combine like terms. These two are like terms, so you're going to put them together. Negative 8x and 3x is negative 5x minus 2. You can't simplify any further than that, so this is your answer. Now, number 2, we're still doing the same thing, but now we have a trinomial here. But we're doing the same, we're following the same idea as number 1. So multiply them. Multiply these two, so 3x squared. Multiply these two, negative x. Multiply these two, multiply, multiply. Now you're going to combine like terms. X squared, x, x. So we don't have any other x cubed. 3x squared, 2x squared is 5x squared. 6x, take away 1x is 5x. And then minus 2. There's nothing else you can do to simplify that. I know you're tempted to put these two together, but don't do it because they're not like terms. So this is the end of it. Now, number 3 and number 4, I want you to do that mentally. Without, well, you can write it out, but here's the thing. So if your coefficient right there in front of the x is 1, you can just, I'm going to do step 1, 2, and 3 right here. So step 1, you square the variable. So you square the variable, you get x squared. And then you're going to add those two. So you add 3 and negative 2, you get 1x. So you add those two, you get 1x. And then you multiply 3 times 2, negative 2. You get negative 6. That's it. So you square the first, you add them together to get the x, you multiply them to get the last term. This one you could spread them out, but there's again another thing that you can do mentally. So you square the first term. So the first term is x right there, so you square it, x squared. The second one you're going to do multiply the two terms together and then you double it. So you multiply and double. Multiply 3 times x is 3x and then you double it, 6x. And then you square the last. 3 squared, 9. Again, if you want to, because all this is the same thing as x plus 3 multiplied itself twice. You can do this, and you can do the same thing we did for number 1, but if we can do it mentally, that will save you a lot of time. The more we do this, the better you get at it.